Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the. Y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the.
That finish on Logan Joe Clear, that was a good run. That's the clear side forward pull trigger holster.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Cover!
Well, high competition level, everybody.
That finish on Logan Joe Clear.
Get low when the whistle go.